Okay, well, the last time that we spoke, we did an overview for week 9 and 10. So this is week 11. We are going to do chapter 10, Children with Special Health Care Needs. Again, audio and just the textbook. You have a discussion board, and then you have a safety in the classroom assignment. It's the emergency response. So go ahead and this is previous knowledge that you are now putting into practice. So it is 4 questions. You're going to answer each question in 7 to 10 detailed and descriptive sentences. And the wonderful thing about this is that you are compiling and you're scaffolding your knowledge from active supervision in the first, in chapter 2 or chapter 3. And then you are building on it from safety practices and professionally trained first aid and CPR. And so it just kind of scaffolds on your knowledge and builds towards a commonality of professionalism among early childhood teachers. So with that said, you're going to start reading chapter 14. Chapter 14 is providing good nutrition. And so again, you can have the choices between textbook and audio. You're going to do a snack activity, and the snack activity is super simple. All you're going to do is you are going to use a Padlet, and you are going to find the circle in the right-hand corner. You're going to write your name, and you're going to share a picture of your favorite snack. And you're going to find the calorie count, which this isn't necessarily a fun activity for some of us, but it is an important activity to learn the calorie intake. We always joke around in my house, but the bag says it's 75 calories, and the content is 75 calories for 3 of the items inside the bag. So and we eat the whole thing. So just giving you some insight on the snack activity. And then the other thing that you're going to see is week 12 discussion board is a 3-part one. So you're going to read chapter 14, you are going to see a video, and then you are going to respond to your peers. The only other thing that I should tell you at this time is that the next week is chapters 12 and 13. So I will do an overview for week 13 and 14 together, kind of like I did for 9 and 10. And so it kind of like I did for weeks 9 and 10 and week 11 and 12. So just to kind of keep the momentum going in that way so that you're not having to watch videos every single week as we go over the details. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I will see you soon.